Just need to get used to it.
Yeah. All right, let's try again.
Canter.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Right away, you ready for canter?
Yeah. This is fun.
Yeah?
This is awesome. Woohoo!
We pat Miss and tell her thank you. She did a great job.
Oh.
You love cantering?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it again.
Now how are we going to ask for it?
Canter.
No, just a moment. Let's check our girth while we're here. I think we're okay. All right, let's try it again.
Canter.
So we're going to practice our sitting trot. Remember we did that on red?
Canter.
Should we go all the way down to the end?
Okay, stop, Maggie, stop.
Too much bouncing?
Yeah, too much bouncing.
Okay.
Okay.
Would you please? I'll come over to you.
That was fun.
It was fun.
Okay.